Folks, we got 3 crypto loaded up here. These are chart requests over here from the Discord. We got ABT, we got Aerodrome, and we also got AKT. We got those loaded up here inside the chart requests here. So we'll start first with Aerodrome Finance. This one has very strong fundamentals. This is the DEX of the Base Network. If you don't know what the Base Network is, that is Coinbase's Layer 1 blockchain. So you could see down here, guys, our strategy is to buy when this blue wave is down here given a green dot. Okay, when this happens, this means times are very bad, times are scary, times are uncertain. You can see the last time that happened, right, we had this big, massive drop from $2 all the way down to 30 cents. That was a 90% drop, okay? As traders, as investors, we want to buy after one of these, okay? Markets go down, right, and then markets go back up. As long as you're buying good quality assets, these kind of pullbacks are massive opportunities, okay? Aerodrome has very strong fundamentals. I think we can all agree on that. It is the DEX, the liquidity provider of the Base Network, okay? And they're right back down here to where they bounced last year at this time. You can see the last time we got these green dots was back here in April. Okay, that was when tariff, right? Everyone was panicking about tariffs, right? Nobody was happy in the markets right back here. Because again, we went down for like 5-6 months, okay? And then we bottomed, right? That's the bottoming signal right there. Okay, we bottomed right there. If you guys would have bought that back at 31 cents, literally the same price we're sitting at here in this April, okay, we're sitting at the same price. It pumped from 31 cents all the way up here to 150. So this is where the bulls stepped in last time and said, hey, we're not going any lower. Okay, we're going back up. So the bulls stepped in here last time. Okay, you got your signals. You even got a MACD crossover. That's also a very bullish indication. I just want to point out, guys, that these are not day trades. These are swing trades. So these are 1 to 6 month signals. Okay, I don't just make that up as I go. We actually have a whole course over here, a whole trading strategy. But you can see we're 1 to 6 months out on all investments. You guys can check out that free trading course over here if you'd like to learn more about the strategy. But this is a buy and hold for 1 to 6 months. When that dot came back here in April, back at 30 cents, that came at 30 cents back in April. It topped out in August. So April to August was about a 5-month hold. Okay, you made like 400% on that move. So again, we're getting the signals here again. No certain, right? We can't be 100% certain, but we can just know from the data that, hey, this is a good price, right? This is where the bulls stepped in last time. 30 cents, I think, looks really good for Aerodrome. The other one's ABT. So this one kind of already took off here. I wouldn't chase this one. I'd probably wait for it to pull back a little bit into these EMAs, but our target's up here between 80 cents and $1. This is the Fibonacci retracement tool. If you guys do not have my trading layout, you guys can download that right there in the trading indicator tab, but our sell strategy is to sell up here in the red zone. And then the last one is AKT. I'm looking for the daily on this one, and our target's up here at 140 for AKT.